The Congress party today mobilized its cadre and protested against rising fuel prices. Congress cadres in different parts of the country asked the government to roll back the spike in fuel prices. Petrol has reached 102 rupees a litre in Mumbai. We bring you this ground report.
Top gear protests at petrol pumps across the country. Searing high temperatures and skyrocketing fuel prices have mobilized the Congress nationwide on Friday.
भारत एक ही देश ऐसा है कि जहां कच्चा क्रूड तो सस्ता हुआ, पर ये देश के सुल्तान मोदी जी और भाजपा की सरकार दाम बढ़ाती रही है.
Within last 5 months, they have increased the petrol diesel price 44 times.
So this is totally exploitation on the poor and common man in the country.
The trigger is something that has hit the Aam Aadmi and Mahila everywhere. Fuel prices have been soaring since the beginning of May, with petrol crossing the 100 rupee mark in several cities. The government has blamed the surge on global crude prices, but has categorically rejected demands for a cut in excise duty. Senior Congress leaders like Party General Secretary K.C. Venugopal and Shakti Singh Goel were seen protesting at a petrol pump in Delhi.
This is national capital, and that's why several senior leaders have also joined the protests. So, in a way, now Congress is giving a message, a symbolic message, that if the price rise won't be controlled, then they will be out on the roads.
In Bengaluru, former Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and State Congress President D.K. Shivakumar were detained by the police.
We demand you reduce the tax, excise duty, and make it, you can sell it at 60 rupees per litre.
It's a symbolic protest is what they say, and it will go on till 5,000 such fuel stations across Karnataka, and the campaign that they have taken up is 100 not out, because still the fuel prices are hovering around rupees 100.
Senior Congress leaders led an agitation in Kerala, where petrol is being sold at over 97 rupees per litre.
We are now at Thiruvananthapuram, and the Kerala Pradesh Congress Committee is holding protest against the fuel price hike across the state. So we have the senior leaders of the party who have come onto the ground to attend this protest. Right now I'm at one of the fuel stations in the capital city. We have Ramesh Chennathala, the former leader of opposition, who is sitting in protest.
In UP, State Congress Chief Ajay Kumar Lalu was placed under house arrest after he called for a protest. Rajasthan saw two separate protests, one by Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot's camp and another by arch-rival Sachin Pilot.
मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि दबाव बनेगा और केंद्र सरकार को रोल बैक करना पड़ेगा, पेट्रोल डीजल के दाम कम करने पड़ेंगे.
Congress leader Sachin Pilot arrived at this petrol station in the protest against the price hike of petrol and diesel. He came over here for hardly 10 minutes, and that was after he had paid obeisance to his late father, Mr. Rajesh Pilot, in Dausa district.
The Congress called for an immediate cut in excise duty on petrol and diesel and demanded that it be brought under the purview of the Goods and Services Tax. Bureau Report, India Today.